Welcome to the Mackenzie Video Library.
We'll give a quick tutorial on how to bend the wires and use the ghost hanger. This is basically what you receive when you order a ghost hanger. What we do is we take and prime them with a gray primer just to give it a base color so your client or yourself can paint it when it's time to install the bird. I put 2 screws in there where the ghost hanger key slots go in and slide down. For transportation, I put just a small screw right at the top so it can't come off. Next, I'll take my bird, and this one's going to be a ring neck cup coming in, so I want to determine my distance, how far away from the wall I want it. So I'll show you in just a minute where I pre-drilled the hole, but I have a hole right here in my mannequin. So I will hold my finger here, and I will take and make a cut right here with my wire. And I actually have a little tool I made. It's a wire bender. It's a piece of pipe with a nut on the end of it. And it's real easy. I can manipulate this, and bend it just like that. This is the mannequin, and this bird's gonna be flying this direction. So I want my hole right here. And I'll take a 1/2-inch spade bit, just drill into the foam. And once I sew my bird up, I'll make a cut. I'll show you in just a minute. And this will slide right on there. You can fill this with silicone, or we use the 2-part Smoothcast 300 to secure it if we're shipping a bird. We're going to locate the hole right here on the bird where we sewed it up. Make a cut with a scalpel. As you can see the hole. Okay, now we're going to go back to our ghost hanger. We just take it the angle we want it. Slide it right in. Take a little silicone. Just a little pump or 2 in there to hold it. And then the bird is ready to pose.